Navy Vet 76 out at the range with the Swedish block again, doing more load testing. And today, here are the two. The one on the right is a cast 338 bullet that has been resized to 327, I believe. And the one on the left is a Hungarian lead bolt for the M95 that the mold says 330,000 diameter bullet, and I am sizing 327 diameter. It drops at about 218 to 217 grains, and obviously it's powder coated and gas checked. I've done 20 of these, and I'm going to try these today and see how they compare. I also brought the powder weight up to 18 grains of Alliant 4227 from 17.5 that I was using in the other load. So I'm also going to get some speed, and we'll see how these do as far as accuracy. Well, I was getting ready to shoot. The wind picked up out here at the range, and my chronograph tipped over. Wonderful. So now I have to wait till the next ceasefire to set the chronograph up again. Crap. Okay, got the chronograph back up. The wind out here is picking up. It's unusual. I'm in an enclosed area, and this wind is just kind of whirling around inside of here, and it knocked over the chronograph. Anyway, I want to try these new ones. Again, this is a bullet that's made for the Austrian-Hungarian M95 straight, and it's cast. It's supposedly at 330 diameter. I don't know. I didn't measure it when it dropped because I'm resizing it to 327. Gas check coated and weighs between 217 to 218 grains. And again, I'm using Alliant 2400 18 grain powder, and the overall length is 3 inches 72 thousandths. What I did was I seated it to the first grease groove. So, and I could actually go longer. Unfortunately, that one does not want a chamber. Okay, there must be a big gob of powder coating on that one. Alright. Now, hopefully I've got this set up so I can actually read the speed to you. 1,581 feet per second. That's not bad. I'm going to try this one again. I think it's just a bit of powder coat on there. Yeah, that's not going in. I should have done that. Alright. Hold on. Alright, I got it out. It's a little shaky. The wind is bouncing the camera around. And I don't know why they want probably a little bit of powder coat on the bullet. I'll work with that one later. I've got this elevation set from the previous load. I really don't know where it's going to hit. All 4 shots. Yeah. says 1542. And this, what the 1535. That's 1516. $15.29. I believe that's 5 shots. I want to take a look in the scope to see where we're at. Wow. Wow, that's a really, really nice group. It's just a little bit high. I think if I drop this, I don't know what that's going to do, but that's a really, really good group. Here's another one that's the powder coating's a little heavy on there, I guess. I don't know what the deal is, whether it's run out. I don't know, but I'm not going to force it. Could be neck size. All right, I'm going to do 5 more. That's 1520. 1529. $15.16. Ooh, that one went in tight. $14.86. I'm not sure. Okay, that one was a little snug too, and I can see it's marking on the bullet. So my powder coating, where it's not going through the sizing die, evidently is a little too heavy. $14.96. $14.93. $15.26. It's weird, my down there it's saying 465, but it's reading correctly here. These Caldwell chronographs are probably your cheapest ones you can buy.
1 minute to ceasefire. 1 minute.
I've got several of these. first thing to go on is the screen. My problem is I keep shooting the screens. Well, this time I dropped it, and now it's not. Someday I'll invest in a better chronograph, but these work for what I'm doing. I've got another one at home with a busted screen, but it still works. So let's pause and go down and see what we did. Alright, that Swedish rolling block likes that bullet a lot better. I was shooting up here and I dropped the sight just a little bit and we're right here. So we're shooting left just a little, but that is a very, very tight group. That's I think if you go through my videos and that, I'm guessing this is the best I've shot this rifle. That load is probably where I'm going to stop. That's Alliant 2400 powder, 18 grains, using the Austro-Hungarian Mannlicher M95 Lee bullet in 330 thousandths diameter, and it's dropping at 217 to 218 grains with the gas check and powder coat. Now the powder coat allows me to shoot at a higher velocity and eliminates the leading in the bore. I've had really good luck with this powder coating. I'm using the wet method as described in some guy's video on YouTube, whose name I don't have at the moment. But that's a really good shooting there. I think that's as good as it gets.